unboxing video! So, today we are going to be unboxing a Polaroid cardboard smartphone projector.
Yeah.
This was donated to us by Harold the Paper Bag Man's dad. Yep. So, thank you for that.
Yeah.
So, we're just going to open it up. Ooh. Looks like Nintendo Labo. So here it is. It has a lens.
That's pretty
And then you
low.
pop it open. And then I think you put your phone here. And then it projects the screen.
That's pretty cool.
So we're going to be testing this out. And we could show you guys some of the footage. So coming up, right?
So here it is. We tested it out before. It doesn't really work too well. But here, you can see for yourself. See, it doesn't really project, but if you film in the lens, then you could actually kind of see it. But now we're gonna see if it works in a dark room.
So here it is in here. You can barely see it. We can, like, the lighting is bad, but we can even barely see it in here. So let's see what it's like inside of the projector. Hey, you see anything cool in there? You see me? Can ya? I don't know. I can't really see you in the dark room. So, well. Today is double upload Saturday. So, once this video hits 30 views, we'll post the second vid. Please like and subscribe. Bye!